everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have another remake of one of my famous cocoa drink mixes. Today we're going to focus on a white chocolate hot cocoa mix that's sugar-free and absolutely delicious. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Okay, we're going to go over the ingredients for our white chocolate hot cocoa mix. This is a sugar-free version, and as I've said in previous videos, we're starting to remake a lot of our cocoa mixes and tea mixes that we've made in the past. We've been getting a lot of requests to convert a lot of our recipes for these drink mixes to sugar-free versions because we know that there are a lot of folks who watch our channel that have special dietary needs. Maybe they're type 1 or type 2 diabetics. Maybe they're just trying to cut sugar from their diet and they want an option. So we're going to start off like many of the sugar-free versions with 1 cup of heavy cream powder. I'll leave a link down below to many of these products in an Amazon shopping list for you, and you can either source them via that route or you can source them on your own. There are many versions of heavy cream powder that you can obtain, and you need to choose the one that's best for you and best for your wallet. So a cup of heavy cream powder, 1 cup of instant dry milk powder, 1 cup of stevia sweetener blend. And you can use whatever sweetener you like, but the stevia is a cup for cup. If you're using like an aspartame or Equal or Splenda or something of that nature, you're going to need to research the equivalents for how much of this do you use to equal a cup of sugar. So I know that this stevia blend is a cup for cup measure, and that makes it easy. And then this here is 2 packets of sugar-free white chocolate pudding mix. It's instant pudding, and that's what's going to help us give that richness, the mouthfeel, the texture, the smooth creaminess that you're looking for. So all you have to do now, put everything in a big bowl, and make sure you have a bowl that's bigger than you think you need, because you're going to want to stir this really, really well. And I'm going to be using a whisk. And all of these things, optionally, you can add a tablespoon of vanilla powder. You're going to want to stir this longer than you think you need to. I mean, just a couple of minutes, and you should be good to go. I'm going to call that good. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to make a cup of this for you so you can see what it looks like, and we'll give it a taste. And I'll put this in a jar so we have it ready on our shelf to use and enjoy. Okay, we've got 1/4 cup. When you make this, you're going to use really as much or as little as you like until you get to your preferred flavor, but I've used about 1/4 cup, and there was about a tablespoon or so left in the bottom of the bowl after I had decanted the mix. Oh, this smells fantastic. Ooh. And it does get that little bit of crema on the top, and that's from the heavy cream powder. But if you find 1/4 cup of the mix in this much water or so is not enough for you, then you should adjust that. That's the beautiful part of making your own drink mix, is you can make it as strong or as weak as you like, and you can make it according to your personal taste. That's the white chocolate hot cocoa mix. There's no real chocolate in it. There's no cocoa in it, but I can't begin to tell you how delicious this smells. It smells beautiful and vanilla. It's very fragrant. It looks very creamy, and I can't wait to taste it. So I'm going to taste this. Oh, it's good. It's really good. Isn't that delightful? It's really, really good.
That is delicious.
It's not weak or thin or light. It has a really nice mouthfeel, and I think you're going to love it. Oh, wow. That's so satisfying. That's really, really delicious. The instant pudding mix is definitely the secret to a lot of these, because it really does help give the drink mix some body, not to mention the flavor. That's it. That's how you make white chocolate hot cocoa mix, sugar-free and delicious. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.